So when you are in a struggle mindset, you have same thoughts, which leads to same choices. You make same choices again and again because you want to stay in that comfort zone, because thinking new also creates fear for you. So same action and same behavior causes again the repetitive same loop, because you think same, you act same, and then again you have that same thoughts, and you keep repeating those thoughts because that feels comfortable. Thinking new thoughts is again uh, like crossing an ocean. When you cross an ocean where you are unaware, where you go to an unknown place, so you don't want to fall into the unknown, so you stay in the comfort zone, and that's why you repeat the same thoughts again and again, and that is the reason you fall in the loop, same loop, sansar samudra. You stay in that only, and here you cross the ocean, you cross the unknown, and then you achieve whatever you want, your higher self. You achieve that higher self. So if this is the human being, you achieve that higher self. Like in kundalini, we say no, that agna chakra got activated or the crown chakra got activated. But when you move out from the known to the unknown, and then you put effort while taking new thoughts, positive actions uh, towards your new thoughts and growth minded, automatically you activate your chakras, and that is that easy process where you don't have to go through all the hassles and pain. So here what you do, you have the same experience because you repeat same thoughts, so you will have the same experience every day, same routine, same experience, and that's why everything feels same only. There are no new feelings every day. See, you have the same feeling. If you are in shame, you will remain in shame. If you are in guilt, you will remain in guilt. So your health also does not improve because you don't shift from this struggle mindset to the abundance mindset. Health and everything can be improved if you change your old state of mind into new thoughts. So into new thoughts, into new choices. With new thoughts come new choices. So you make new choices of learning something new every day. So you take new actions, and new automatically when you take new actions, that will lead to new behavior, and that will remove your shame, your fear, guilt, your anger, or the mindset that I'm not able to, my health is not well. That all changes your first, and we are all born with neuroplasticity. So that is, so this is growth minded, and abundance follows when you are growth minded. So automatically new feelings arise, new actions, new behavior results to new feelings. New feelings result to abundance, and you choose your new feelings. You learn to choose your new feelings of joy, happiness, health.